You know what today is? Today is motherfucking vlog day. And it is, I think, episode 7. I don't even know anymore. But we have a lot of shit to do today. And one of the things is cleaning the shop because Josh left it a fucking mess. Like, look at this. What the fuck, Josh? Look at this. What the fuck, Josh? What the fuck? He acts like this is his shop. You know? My fucking name is on the fucking building. My fucking name. But no, he just makes a full-blown motherfucking messery of this fucking place. So, we have a lot of shit we gotta do today. We got a lot of shit. Actually, I said that last episode though, and we got nothing done. So, we might not get anything done today. Who knows? You never really know. But, today, I'm pretty sure, as long as Josh actually set up a guy to come and do it, it's glass day. And ain't no tinted glass, so that way people, while I'm driving, can see me totally getting roadhead. And I guess you could probably also see and guess, Josh is not here. He fucking spent way too much time up last night trying to make sweet, sweet love to a hooker. And now he's sleeping in, not showing up for vlog day, and we got a lot of shit to do. I'll let him explain what needs done on his car, because I don't give a fuck. My car's the only car that matters. I know you guys don't agree with that, because all you guys are BMW loving frickers. Well, look who finally decided to show up.
Been here the whole time.
You're a liar.
Been here the whole time. So tell everybody what the bad news is, because you sound sad.
So, the bad news. Once again, just like last week's vlog, Josh forgot to call the fucking glass people and set up an appointment to get my glass done today. So my glass will not be being put in today, which is fucking awesome.
No, again, they canceled because somebody called in sick. And I called the glass guy with you in front of me.
Well, you know what I'm sick of?
You not doing things
you
yourself?
Not calling the glass people on time.
I just really don't want your glass to be put in.
Why do you have no glass, dude?
Because to tuck the vinyl in, you needed to pull the glass.
See, he pulled the glass so we could wrap the vinyl in here and then get the glass put in quickly. So I got it taken out last night. But what he doesn't know is because my glass didn't get put in, I'm in too bad of a mood. I'm in an emotional distraught.
My friend is has a disability.
What? What? What'd you say?
My friend has a disability.
Yeah! My luck be turning around. A glass guy that I called, this guy right here, called, just called me back and said he could do it today, okay? For cheaper, $100 cheaper than the fucking guy that Josh supposedly fucking called. Okay, so let's see if that ends up happening. Josh!
I really now hope it doesn't.
Oh, it will.
I'm gonna call him back.
Yeah?
Yeah, and tell him, unfortunately, he said he doesn't want to get the glass done unless it's at least $300. So you guys better raise your prices. All I know is I never want to do this again.
What, wrap a car?
Dude.
How many times have you made me wrap your car?
Dude.
How many times? And how many times have I told you that I'm never gonna do it again?
I think this is gonna be the third time. This is gonna be the third time.
So what's the plan for today? We still haven't really told them exactly. And what episode is it? Because I think I got it messed up earlier. It's 7?
This is 7.
Yeah, so it is episode 7. I was right. He was wrong. There's nothing he can do about it.
I never said whether it was or not. What we're going to do is clean this all up and then wrap both quarters.
Today. Both quarters today.
Today and tonight. Today.
I have dinner.
What time?
With my papa. At 6.
Oh my gosh. This is what I don't understand. You give me so much grief for doing things that are like actually important. Like, you go to an opera last night.
I had to go to the opera.
And then today you're going to dinner with your dad.
Yep.
So I'm just stuck alone.
I had an opportunity to go to the opera. Woo! You hear that shit? Josh thinks fucking going to the gym consists of him riding the stationary bike on the lowest setting for 15 minutes and then leaving and drinking a protein shake. That's Josh's fucking workout plan.
Now I'm sad, dude.
You know what cracked me up, dude? If you took and calculated all the money in seals.
I could have just painted it.
Exactly.
Yeah, but I still would have needed new seals. This car's old and nasty. I don't even know why I have it. Who wants to buy it?
It's for sale. Your seats look like they could use a little lotion. Alright, we need to get my fuel line to go there, but there's no hole for it. So we gotta put this bitch. Come on, folks. There you go. That bitch in the floor and run the line up in there. Because the safest place to have your gas tank is behind your seat. Boom! One fuel line down.
Max, what are we doing?
Calling my buddy to see if we'll spray your car.
Why would we do that?
Because vinyl's fucking gay! Fucking gay.
Yeah, it's no problem. We just, you know, wrapped the hood, the fenders, the doors, the bumpers, and the trunk. Pulled the glass out. I'm pulling the rear pop-out windows. And you want to have it sprayed.
We do it right because we do it twice.
I fucking hate you.
We got one of my buddy's cars here that we're wrapping, and we pulled all the freaking glass out of it to do like a super dope wrap on it, like to get everything. And I hate wraps, and I've told him from the beginning that we should just paint it, spray it, spray it, spray it. It's a 3 Series BMW. What year?
94.
94. But you think $300 or $400? Cool. All right, let me talk to him. And when do you think you would be able to do it if we prepped everything? Anytime. Damn, you're making it way too tempting for him. He's got this big old smile on.
What do you mean tempting? I'm getting it done. It's too late.
All right, cool. Later, man. You fucked, dog. You fucked. This rat job took a turn. It took a turn down paint lane. Okay.
Oh man.
So Josh has been trying to get my glass put in my truck for the past fucking 2 months. Okay. And every time they keep flaking, and we don't really know if Josh is even setting it up or calling. We don't really know. Okay. You give me one fucking day, I make one motherfucking phone call. And what do we got, Josh? Glass. What we got? We got fucking glass, bro. Cause I make shit happen. What are you doing?
Peeling the fucking vinyl. Oh. My name's Josh and I'm an idiot.
My name's Max and I support this message. Dude, you're so stupid.
Tell me why. Tell me why.
We're gonna paint his car. How much did you spend on wrap?
Too fucking
Just wondering.
Too
Asking
much.
for a friend.
Too much.
God damn it, dude.
Oh, we're gonna get it done. Because I'm just gonna buy another fucking car, dude.
No, you ain't. You already spent too much money on vinyl. You broke. You pull money out of your 405k.
horrifying. What the fuck am I doing? Oh my gosh. So obviously I haven't been in this vlog that much because I'm very sad. I came to the shop thinking we were going to finish wrapping my car. It was going to be one color. And then this guy says, you know what? Since you took all the glass out, we should just have it painted.
Cleaning the shop. Test number 2. The air, if there was wind, there's a draft. There. It is Wednesday, my dudes. I freaked out. Oh man, now kiss
Remember that time I came to the shop thinking, oh, we're gonna leave and my car's gonna be all one color and we were gonna finish wrapping it and then I could get my windshield rear glass put in tomorrow?
Which time of me wrapping your car are you talking about?
This time.
Oh. Yes?
All right, Max, tell everybody the new plan. What's the new plan?
Plan?
Why are you cuddling the broom?
It smells nice. The plan is that we are going to drive Josh's painted BMW to AutoCon. That's the plan. And I'm going to drive my driving and running Apache.
See, both of those are fake.
You know what, dude? I have a dream that we will both one day drive our cars to AutoCon 2019.